Interesting facts about Rajasthan. 1. Desert safari experience in Rajasthan. Document your desert safari adventure in the Thar Desert, showcasing camel rides, jeep safaris, and camping under the stars. 2. Jaisalmer Fort exploration. Explore the historic Jaisalmer Fort, also known as the Golden Fort, and showcase its intricate architecture, narrow lanes, and stunning views of the desert. 3. Desert wildlife. Film a video highlighting the unique wildlife found in the Rajasthan deserts, including sightings of desert foxes, blackbucks, and various bird species. 4. Desert festivals in Rajasthan. Capture the vibrant atmosphere of desert festivals like the Jaisalmer Desert Festival or Pushkar Camel Fair, featuring cultural performances, camel races, and traditional music. 5. Desert photography tips. Share tips and techniques for capturing stunning desert landscapes, including sunrise and sunset photography, silhouettes, and close-up shots of desert flora and fauna. 6. Desert camping experience. Showcase a desert camping experience in Rajasthan, including setting up tents, enjoying a bonfire under the stars, and experiencing the tranquility of the desert night. 7. Desert folk music and dance. Film performances of traditional Rajasthani folk music and dance forms like Kalbelia dance or folk songs sung by local musicians in the desert setting.